Want to speak English more naturally? Let's learn the past perfect continuous. Want to say something happened before something else in the past? Like, she was tired because she had been working all night. Let's learn past perfect continuous. The easy way. To make this tense, we use the subject then, had been followed by the verb with ing. For example, they had been working all night. Another example, he had been waiting for the bus when it started raining. Let's look at negatives forms in the past perfect continuous. To make a negative sentence, say the subject, then, had not been, followed by the verb ending in ing. For example, she had not been eating well. That means she wasn't eating properly before something else happened. Let's look at questions in the past perfect continuous. To ask a question, switch the word order. Had followed by the subject, then been, and the ing form of the verb. For example, had they been studying? This helps you ask what was happening before another action in the past. Use the past perfect continuous when you want to show that something was happening over a period of time before something else in the past. For example, she had been reading before dinner. Another example, we had been talking for hours when the phone rang. Let's compare. The past simple is for finished actions. The past continuous is for ongoing actions in the past. The past perfect shows something was done before another past action. The past perfect continuous shows the action was ongoing before something else. Signal words help you recognize the tense. Use for with a duration, like for 2 hours. Use since with a point in time, like since Monday. For example, I had been working there for 5 years. Another example, she had been crying since the morning. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences using the past perfect continuous. Use the words travel, study, and rain in your examples. That's it. Now you try, drop your sentence in the comments. Like, follow, and subscribe for more English lessons.